everybody. Hi. How are you all doing on this beautiful day? Whenever you're seeing this, we are the Stalwart lovers. Welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, smash that subscribe button down below. Click on the notification bell so you get notified whenever we post a new video. Like this video, comment, share with all your loved ones, and what else? And to our returning subscribers, welcome back. All right, babe, how far now? How you doing?
I'm good. I'm good.
Let me take this ID card off. This man has been driving since 5 past 5 or to 6 or thereabout this morning, and we've been going on our way from Lagos to Akure. Yay! And we are so close, guys. Like, we are about 20 minutes.
I literally feel nostalgic.
And we are like, oh my god.
I am going to Akure. I've not been to Akure in 2 years plus.
Yeah, myself.
And
likewise.
Akure is like home to me. I mean, I spent most of my adult life there, and I'm just excited to go again.
Yes, so,
yeah.
yes, so, yes, so. So we're about to see some policemen.
Guys,
we just
in Futa, and like, every single person we know in Futa don't know that we are here.
And like nobody knows.
All my babies. All my babies, they are all here. They don't know that we are in here yet.
As in, wow. Surprise.
Feels so good to be in this place again.
Yeah, I feel so good. I mean, like, you guys don't even.
Let's go and find something to eat.
Yeah. Take it. Uncle Boo. Uncle Boo, stand up. My husband is so tired. Like, we've had such a day today. Like, you guys can't even imagine. Babe, come and join me in this video, Joe. Sit up. Sit up. Yeah.
I'm seeing star. I saw vision. The vision of 15 horses. They are relu. I say relu. They are red.
Okay.
Red like yellow.
Okay.
And also Onome inside the vision. Okay.
Yes, so
I need sleep right now.
Yes.
How you guys doing?
How are you guys doing? So this is us after a whole day.
A whole day of driving.
Yeah.
And landing in Akure. And what did we do today? Went to Futa.
Yes.
Said hello to the people.
I understand the concept of warfare, even though we are seated with Christ far above principalities and power.
Basically, today was hectic, but it was wonderful.
Yeah,
we had a little bit, nostalgic feeling.
In fact, it was a lot of nostalgia.
But the main part was I went to ETF. ETF is like a major lecturing hall in Futa.
Yeah.
In our university. And normally exam started today, and they were studying. But then
they were like crowded.
They were so full. And then there were exotic cars parked
a lot of
downstairs.
cars outside. Like when the Futa students start having.
So I have been hearing that post-COVID, students have been coming to school with amazing exotic cars. But today I saw some by myself with my own eyes, and I was like, I was just bothered. I was just weeping because I stand corrected, but most probably they are not legitimate,
legitimate earnings
and it's just bothering. Like, why the rush for the glamour or the
Anyway,
I pray for them.
They're about to rest, take off these clothes, and just relax, and sleep.
I plan to sleep, wake up, sleep again, wake up, and sleep again.
Alright, guys, so see you guys tomorrow. Good night.
Are you conscious of His presence? Do you activate it, or you are busy running the race of fear and of panicking? Rise up on your feet, let us pray. tonight as we pray. I decree in the name of Jesus, the name that is above every other name, so shall it be. In the name of Jesus.
Hello guys.
Yeah.
It's not that we're always coming to you in the night like this.
Because that's the only time we can shoot.
I mean, like...
So it's been an amazing day. After work today, we stepped out in the evening to my alma mater.
Yeah.
Chapel Youth Fellowship, CYF. It was such an amazing time. I was so delighted to be in that presence, that atmosphere, that place I used to be, as a student and all that. It was so much fun.
The former president,
and I was called upon to lead them in some prayers, and it was powerful. And I'm so grateful to God. So that's really the highlight of today.
Yeah, we were basically at home.
Just at home working, and then in the evening we just went out.
I redid my hair, it looks a little neater, in case you guys noticed. Yeah. Oh, this juiciness. Okay, let's continue.
Okay, guys, so we're going to bed now.
Yes, so.
Bye.
Bye. Hi, guys. Welcome back. Yeah, so we have missed. Yeah, so we have Boki, Bisola, Eniola, Jibola right here. Okay, yeah.
You're not even laughing, Eniola.
Alright, so we didn't even update you guys yesterday.
What?
I said we didn't even update you guys yesterday. So yesterday we went to RCS. Yay! And of course, all the excitement, all the greetings and blah blah blah. It's so excited to see everyone again. And yeah, today has been full. I went to my department, saw some people. My husband was just tagging along. Yes, I'll tag along with your glasses. And then we went to see a lot of people in their offices. It's almost a lot of seeing people here and there. And now we are going out to town. Yes. So at least the first time we are going into Akure since we came. We've been in Futa all the while. Yes. So this is still part of the Futa tour, as we would have it. All right.
Babe, should we buy the three?
I can buy the three now. Catch.
Should we buy granuts?
I can buy now.
Oh my God. Good. Hi guys. Our brief Akure journey has come to an end.
Yes.
So we're fully packed now, and we're going to church. And after church, we're going back to Lagos.
Yes. So
it's
a lot
been fun.
of things. A lot of things have happened, and we're not updating you guys because we're just basically living in the moment. We went to the mall. We went to where else did we go?
Went to have this body massage.
Yeah.
From
a chair. And the guy was saying, well, that was.
The guy came to me and told me that the machine said that my body needs more massage, twice the price that I'm paying for. I said I'm okay with this one. He said, but that's what the machine says. I said, is it the machine that will pay for me? Anyway, it's been fun in Akure. We've met a lot of people. We had the rehearsal yesterday for Chapel of Faith. My wife did not take any video.
Sorry.
No wahala.
And then we had banana.
Yes, we had banana.
Yes, for the first time in a while. And banana is plenty in Akure, but in Lagos it's like buying gold.
If you buy banana in Lagos, it's like you're buying gold, literally.
Yes, no, it's so expensive.
So we have banana. We had a lot of things that we've missed.
Yeah.
About Akure, and it's been fun. So see you guys in church, and then we'll be on our way. Bye.
Bye.
Who taught the sun where to stand in the morning? And who told the ocean you can only come this far? I know my Redeemer liveth. I know my Redeemer liveth. I know my Redeemer liveth. He liveth forevermore. I know my Redeemer liveth. I know my Redeemer liveth. I know my Redeemer liveth. He liveth forevermore. Let me hear you say, I know my Redeemer.
I say, hey! This is amazing. This one, all of you. So, you are so small. You are all looking like.
You thought of this song. When I think of you,
I see you dancing. Which one again? Yes. All of you are so small. You used to wear all these gowns. You know what this is? Oh no, you're wearing gowns like ladies. All of them. I want to know what you got told me. Yo, James. I got some. All of you. I grew. I got some. Thank you so much.
Hello, thank you for taking care of us.
Wow. I cannot believe my eyes. Oh my God. Please don't push her now, just stay here. Don't push her. As in, all these ones, they were my babies that time. They were so small, and now they're all grown up. I can't believe this. This one is already my height. Oh God.
Examples of road rage.
You saw that this guy wanted to call you, came to this place. For this guy to have come here, then he knew that something was blocking him in the front. But no, you want to do I can run. One sorry girl. Go. What you going with that?